Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Kisi-kisi materi kuliah umum Sabtu sore sepanjang masa elektronik teleconference 20 Agustus tahun 2033 Masehi. Mission of materials of the public lecture of afternoon Saturday of all time with electronic teleconference of man 20th of August of year 2033 ANNO DOMINI. Arahan Pendiri dan Ketua Umum Majelis Pimpinan Pusat Global Yayasan Mandailing Raya, the direction from the founder and the General Chairman of the Central Global Leadership Assembly of the Great Mandailing Foundation, Agussalim ST bin Abdur Rahim Nasution. Materi-materi kuliah umum Sabtu sore sepanjang masa elektronik teleconference di kantor Pusat Global, Majelis Pimpinan Pusat Global Yayasan Mandailing Raya. Materials of the public lecture of afternoon Saturday of all time with electronic teleconference in the Global Head Office of the Central Global Leadership Assembly of the Great Mandailing Foundation. Sabtu 20 Agustus tahun 2033, materi kuliah umum e-teleconference. Eksistensi 5 orang anggota Politbiro Pembinaan, Organisasi, Lembaga Internal, Pengajian Yayasan Mandailing Raya, Biro Pembinaan Organisasi, Lembaga-lembaga Internal, Yayasan Mandailing Raya, Divisi Pembinaan Organisasi, Majelis Pimpinan Rukun Tetangga Yayasan Mandailing Raya, di seluruh dunia yang dikonsentrasi taktiskan di Kabupaten Mandailing Natal yang terdapat dalam jurnal bulanan analisis riset mikron gen biologis sepanjang masa. Nomor 283 bulan Juli tahun 2033, Saturday, 20th of August 2033, Public Lecture Material e-Teleconference, Existence of 5 members of the Politburo of Organization Development of the Internal Institution of the Islamic Dahwah Activity, the Bureau of Organization Development of Internal Institution of the Great Mandailing Foundation, the Division of Organizational Development of the Naval Leadership Assembly of the Great Mandailing Foundation on what wide concern and tactics in Kabupaten Mandailing Natal contained in the Mandi Journal of Disease Analysis of Biological Genetic Micron of all time, number 283 of Manjole 2033. 5 orang anggota Politbiro Pembinaan Organisasi Lembaga Internal Pengajian Yayasan Mandailing Raya, Biro Pembinaan Organisasi Lembaga, Lembaga Internal Yayasan Mandailing Raya, Divisi Pembinaan Organisasi, Majelis Pimpinan Rukun Tetangga Yayasan Mandailing Raya untuk merekomendasikan kepada jurusan Teknik Sipil, Fakultas Teknik Sipil dan Lingkungan, jurusan Hukum Administrasi Negara, jurusan Hukum Masyarakat dan Pembangunan, jurusan Hukum Bisnis, jurusan Hukum Ekonomi, jurusan Hukum Perdagangan Internasional, dan jurusan Hukum Keuangan Negara, Fakultas Hukum, jurusan Pendidikan Teknik dan Kejuruan. Jurusan Pendidikan Ekonomi dan jurusan Pendidikan Teknik Bangunan, Fakultas Keguruan dan Ilmu Pendidikan, Manajemen dan Kebijakan Publik, Ilmu Administrasi Negara, dan Ilmu Administrasi Publik, Fakultas Ilmu Sosial dan Ilmu Politik, Muamalah, Hukum Bisnis Islam, Keuangan Islam dan Hukum Ekonomi Syariah, Fakultas Syariah, jurusan Teknik Sipil dan Lingkungan, Fakultas Teknologi Pertanian, jurusan Ekonomi dan Studi Pembangunan dan jurusan Ekonomi Sumber Daya dan Lingkungan, Fakultas Ekonomi, dan Manajemen, jurusan Perencanaan dan Kebijakan Publik, dan jurusan Bisnis Islam, Fakultas Ekonomi, the Department of Urban Studies and Planning, School of Architecture, and Planning, Civil and Environmental Engineering, School of Engineering, Business Administration Program, Agussalim Manajemen, jurusan Perencanaan Wilayah dan Kota, Sekolah Arsitektur, Perencanaan dan Pengembangan Kebijakan, dan jurusan Manajemen dan jurusan Kewirausahaan, Sekolah Bisnis dan Manajemen Universitas Mandailing. Untuk memutakhirkan dengan memahami Surat Edaran Nomor 10 SE M 2018 tentang pemberlakuan standar dokumen pemilihan pengadaan jasa konstruksi dalam rangka lelang dini di Kementerian Pekerjaan Umum dan Perumahan Rakyat untuk tahun anggaran 2019, yaitu lampiran 3 Surat Edaran Menteri Pekerjaan Umum dan Perumahan Rakyat Nomor 10 SE M 2018 tentang pemberlakuan standar dokumen pemilihan pengadaan jasa konstruksi dalam rangka lelang dini di Kementerian Pekerjaan Umum dan Perumahan Rakyat untuk tahun anggaran 2019, yaitu 5 members of the Fleet Bureau of Organization Development of the Internal Institution of the Islamic Dakwah Activity, the Bureau of Organization Development of Internal Institution of the Great Mandailing Foundation, the Division of Organizational Development of the National Leadership Assembly of the Great Mandailing Foundation, to recommend to the Department of Civil Engineering, the Faculty of Civil and Environmental Engineering, the Department of State Administrative Law, the Department of Law of Public and Development, the Department of Business Law, the Department of Economic Law, the Department of International Trade Law, and the Department of State Financial Law, the Faculty of Law, the Department of Engineering and Vocational Education, the Department of Economic Education, and the Department of Building Engineering Education, the Faculty of Teacher Training and Education Science, Management and Public Policy, State Administration Science and Public Administration Science. The Faculty of Social Sciences and Political Sciences, Muamalah, Islamic Business Law, Islamic Finance and Sharia Economic Law, the Faculty of Sharia, the Department of Civil and Environmental Engineering, the Faculty of Agricultural Technology, the Department of Economics and Development Studies, and the Department of Resource and Environmental Economics, the Faculty of Economics and Management, the Department of Planning and Public Policy, and the Department of Islamic Business, the Faculty of Economics, the Department of Urban Studies and Planning, School of Architecture and Planning, Civil and Environmental Engineering, School of Engineering, Business Administration Program. Agussalim Management, the Department of Regional and City Planning, the School of Architecture Planning and Policy Development, and the Department of Management and the Department of Entrepreneurship, the School of Business and Management of Mandailing University to update by understanding the Circular Letter Number 10 SEM 2018. concerning enforcement of standard of selection documents for the procurement of construction services in the context of early auction in the Ministry of Public Works and Public Housing. For budget year 2019, namely is Annex 3 of the Circular Letter number 10 SEM 2018 concerning enforcement of standard of selection documents for the procurement of construction services in the context of early auction in the Ministry of Public Works and Public Housing for budget year 2019, namely Bab 11 Daftar Keluaran dan Harga, Chapter 11 List of Expenditure and Prices. Daftar 1 Mata Pembayaran Umum. List 1 General Payment Currency. Nomor, uraian keluaran output, description of output, persentase satuan ukuran keluaran, output percentage, unit of output size, satuan harga keluaran, output price unit, total harga, total price. Total daftar 1, pindahkan nilai total ke daftar rekapitulasi. Total list 1, move total value to recapitulation list. Keterangan 1, mata pembayaran umum memuat rincian komponen. Contoh example, nomor, uraian keluaran, output, description of output, persentase, satuan ukuran keluaran, output percentage, unit of output size, satuan harga keluaran, output price unit, total harga, total price. Total daftar 1, pindahkan nilai total ke daftar rekapitulasi. Total list 1, move total value to recapitulation list. Keterangan, mata pembayaran umum memuat rincian komponen pekerjaan yang bersifat umum. Total harga adalah semua jenis harga yang tercantum dalam daftar kuantitas keluaran dan harga merupakan harga sebelum pajak pertambahan nilai. Information. General payment currency contains details of the general work component. Total prices are all types of prices listed in the list of quantity. Output and price is the price before value added tax. Sumber-sumber, sources, Surat Edaran Nomor 10 SEM 2018 tentang pemberlakuan standar dokumen pemilihan, pengadaan jasa konstruksi dalam rangka lelang dini di Kementerian Pekerjaan Umum dan Perumahan Rakyat untuk tahun anggaran 2019, lampiran 3. Circular Letter Number 10 SEM 2018 concerning enforcement of the selection document standard for procurement of construction services in the context of election in the Ministry of Public Works and Public Housing for budget year 2019, Annex 3, Google Translate. Mandailing Natal, Sumatera Utara, Indonesia, 1 Agustus tahun 2033 Masehi. Feds of Man August 2033, Anno Domini. Thank you very much.